Welcome to Crafting with Inky Images. My name is Karen Hayden and I am a Stampin' Up! Independent demonstrator. Today I wanted to show everyone the October Paper Pumpkin Kit. I just received it a few days ago and I wanted to show you what was inside it. This Paper Pumpkin Kit is called Joy to the World. So, as you could guess, you will be making Christmas cards with this product inside the box. And you will get a stamp set, and this has a wreath and some Christmas flowers. It says, wishing you a very happy Christmas filled with fun and laughter, Merry Christmas, and some other little images. You always get the instructions so that you know how to put together the projects that they have planned for you, and this Paper Pumpkin Kit will make 8 beautiful full-size Christmas cards. But one of the fun things, there's groups out there on Facebook, Paper Pumpkin groups, that will show you how to turn this kit into lots of projects. Now, here's our card bases, really pretty gold embossed cards. And then you have some gold foil, and it says love and joy. And then also you have some little gift tags to stamp and punch out. And then your pretty images that you just have to pop out and adhere to your card. And then I love the envelopes because they're so pretty on the inside. And then, of course, these are some little Whisper White embossed pieces of cardstock that go with the cards. There's always usually some ribbon, or in this case, there's some baker's twine to finish your cards with. There's always a Stampin' Spot. This one has just jade, so it coordinates with the images. And then you'll always have either glue dots or Stampin' Dimensionals. This kit has Stampin' Dimensionals to pop up the images. So that's what you get to put the 8 cards together, but what I'm going to show you is how to take all this product and turn it into a lot of different cards. So let's get started. As you can see, I have quite a collection of Christmas cards that I made using the October Stampin' Up! Joy to the World kit. And what I did was I took apart the card bases and the envelope and was able to get a lot more pieces to design Christmas cards with. So you can see this one. This was the front of the card base, and this one was the inside of the envelope. This actually was the back side of the card base that I embossed. And this is what's fun, is you can use your own embossing folders. If you're like me, you have quite a collection of them. And so each of your cards can be a little bit different. Again, this is just a piece of the front of the card base. This is just a piece of the inside of the envelope. So, when you receive your Paper Pumpkin Kit, you can follow the written instructions inside the box, or you can use your own imagination and come up with your own designs. Now, if you'd like to have Paper Pumpkin delivered to your home every month and make all these fun projects, just go to my online store at karenhayden.stampinup.net and click on Shop Now, and you'll find Paper Pumpkin. When you click on Paper Pumpkin and subscribe, be sure to name me as your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for stopping by.